one.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Did you know that the online retail sector is projected to reach $6.5 trillion by 2023? That's right, folks, we're talking trillions with a capital T. With the advent of the digital age, the retail industry has undergone a seismic shift, fueled by the rapid and relentless growth of online shopping. Consider this. On a global scale, the e-commerce sector saw a 27.6% growth in 2020, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. It's not just the convenience of shopping in your pajamas that's driving this growth. It's the sheer ubiquity of smartphones and the internet. With over 5 billion smartphone users worldwide, it's easier than ever to click, buy, and have everything from groceries to designer shoes delivered to your doorstep. Now, let's touch upon a subject that's been on everyone's minds: the global pandemic. As devastating as it has been, it's also been a catalyst for change. It's forced businesses to adapt, innovate, and find new ways to reach customers. And let's just say, online retail has been one of the biggest beneficiaries. In 2020, when lockdowns became the new normal, online retail saw an unprecedented surge. Consumers, confined to their homes, turned to the internet for their shopping needs. As a result, online retail sales increased by a staggering 44% in the United States alone. In fact, it's estimated that the pandemic accelerated the shift towards online shopping by about 5 years. What does this all mean? It means that online retail is not just a fad, it's the future. It's a dynamic, evolving industry that's providing a platform for businesses big and small to reach a global audience. It's a field that's ripe with opportunities, whether you're an entrepreneur looking to start your own business or a consumer wanting to make the most of your shopping experience. Clearly, the world of online retail is booming, making it a lucrative field to dive into. But how does one actually start an online retail business? Let's hear from the experts. Diving into the online retail world can seem daunting, but with the right advice, it becomes a journey worth undertaking. Experts in the field advocate for a comprehensive understanding of your target market as the first step. It's not just about who they are, but also what they need, their shopping habits, and their preferences. This knowledge is the compass to guide your venture, helping you select the products that will resonate with your audience. Choosing the right products, according to these experts, is a delicate dance between demand and uniqueness. You want to offer products that are in demand, but with a unique touch that sets you apart from competitors. It could be a novel design, an innovative use, or a compelling backstory. The key here is to stand out in the crowded online marketplace. Now let's talk about your virtual storefront, your website. Experts stress the importance of a user-friendly website. It should not only be visually appealing, but also easy to navigate. Remember, a hassle-free shopping experience can turn a one-time visitor into a loyal customer. Another critical component, as shared by the experts, is an effective marketing strategy. In the vast expanse of the internet, standing out requires more than just having great products. It requires reaching out to potential customers through search engine optimization, social media marketing, and email campaigns. This isn't about shouting the loudest, but rather about communicating the right message to the right audience at the right time. Lastly, experts emphasize the importance of staying adaptable. The digital landscape is ever-changing, and what works today may not work tomorrow. Keep learning, keep testing, and most importantly, don't be afraid to pivot when necessary. As the experts have shared, starting an online retail business involves careful planning and strategic decision-making. So, you've decided to take the leap and start your own online retail business. What's the first step? Well, before anything else, you need to conduct thorough market research. This is not just about knowing what products are popular right now, it's about understanding what your potential customers want, need, and are willing to pay for. It's about identifying your competitors and figuring out how to differentiate your business from theirs. Market research is your compass. It will guide your every decision from here on out. Next, you need to source your products. Are you going to create them yourself, or will you buy from a wholesaler? Maybe you'll dropship, which means you won't hold any inventory yourself, but instead will have it shipped directly from the manufacturer to your customers. Each method has its pros and cons, so you'll need to consider which one aligns best with your business goals and capabilities. Setting up a website is the next crucial step. This is your virtual storefront, so it needs to be appealing, user-friendly, and secure. There are many platforms available that make it easy to set up an online store, even if you don't have any coding skills. Or you could hire a professional to create a custom website for you. Now, let's talk about the importance of creating a business plan. This is not just a document to show potential investors, although that can be a part of it. Your business plan is your roadmap. It outlines your business model, marketing strategy, financial projections, and more. It helps you stay focused and on track. Securing funding, if necessary, is the final step we'll talk about today. There are many ways to fund a startup business, from bootstrapping it with your own savings to seeking investors or applying for loans. The best option for you will depend on your personal circumstances and the nature of your business. Remember, every successful online retail business started with someone taking that first step. It might feel daunting, it might feel risky, but it's also exhilarating. You're not just starting a business, you're creating something that's uniquely yours. You're taking control of your future. Taking the first step might be the hardest, but it's also the most exciting. Like any business venture, starting an online retail business comes with its own set of challenges, but don't let that discourage you. In this world of digital commerce, competition is fierce. There are countless online retailers vying for the same customers, offering similar products. It can feel like an uphill battle to stand out from the crowd. But remember, competition also drives innovation. To rise above the competition, you must find your unique selling proposition. What sets your business apart from the others? Once you've found it, don't be shy about showcasing it. Let it take the center stage in your marketing efforts and customer interactions. Acquiring new customers is another common challenge. It's not enough to simply have a great product or service. You must also find a way to reach your target audience and convince them that what you're offering is worth their time and money. This is where a solid marketing strategy comes into play. Utilize social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization to reach your potential customers. And remember, customer acquisition isn't just about bringing in new customers. It's also about retaining your existing ones, so make sure to keep them happy with excellent customer service and regular engagement. Then there's the logistical challenge. Managing inventory, shipping, and returns can be a daunting task, especially for a new online retailer. But don't worry, there are solutions available. You can use inventory management software to keep track of your stock levels and sales. For shipping, consider partnering with a reliable courier service. And for returns, develop a clear and fair return policy that balances the needs of your customers with the sustainability of your business. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity for growth. In the face of adversity, you'll find the strength and creativity you didn't know you had. So embrace the challenges as they come and watch your online retail business thrive. As we look to the future, the possibilities for online retail are endless. The retail landscape has been evolving at a breakneck pace with technology as the driving force. One of the most exciting trends we're seeing is personalization. No longer are consumers satisfied with a one-size-fits-all shopping experience. Instead, they crave a unique, tailored approach that understands their preferences and anticipates their needs. This trend extends beyond product recommendations to include personalized marketing messages, websites, and even packaging. The more an online retailer can make customers feel valued and understood, the stronger the relationship they'll build. Next, let's talk about artificial intelligence, or AI. This isn't just a buzzword for the tech industry, it's a tool that's revolutionizing how online retailers operate. From chatbots that provide instant customer service to algorithms that predict shopping behaviors, AI is making online retail more efficient and more customer-centric. It's no longer a question of if retailers should use AI, but how. And let's not forget about mobile shopping. With smartphones becoming ever more prevalent, mobile shopping is on a meteoric rise. It's not just about making your website mobile-friendly anymore. It's about creating seamless experiences that blend the physical with the digital. Whether that's through augmented reality, shopping experiences, mobile payments, or location-based services. But remember, staying ahead of these trends isn't just about adopting new technologies. It's about understanding your customers, their behaviors, and their desires. It's about continuously innovating, not just for the sake of innovation, but to create better experiences for your customers. The future of online retail is an exciting one. It's a future where technology enables more personal, more efficient, and more immersive shopping experiences. It's a future where the lines between online and offline retail blur, creating a seamless omni-channel experience. The future of online retail is bright. You can be a part of it. So are you ready to take the leap?